Hi students, welcome to this class. So in this class we are going to discuss elementary theory of order. Elementary theory of order. So in order to develop elementary theory of order, we consider two simple cubic lattices A and B be the two simple cubic lattices. The BCC structure is composed of the two interpenetrating simple cubic lattices, and the nearest neighbors of atom on the lattice lie on the other lattice. Consider there are capital N number of atoms A, and capital N number of atoms in B in an alloy. Then the long range order parameter P, the long range order parameter capital P is defined as the number of atoms A on lattice small a is 1 by 2 into 1 plus P into capital N, where P is equal to 1. The number of atoms A on lattice B is equal to 1 by 2 1 minus P into capital N, where P is equal to 1. Where P is equal to 1, the order is perfect, and each lattice contains only one type of atoms. When P is equal to 1, condition here on P is equal to 1, the order is perfect. When P is equal to 0, so each lattice contains equal number of A and B, and P is equal to 0, so each lattice contains equal number of A and equal number of B atoms, and there is no long range order. So we consider that the part of internal energy associated with the band energies So band energies, that means the bond energy between AA or AB or BB lattice points, nearest neighbor pairs. So therefore total energy is equal to N, number of atoms, or each energy, plus N AB UAB plus N BB UBB. Okay, where N, this can be represented by a vector notation Nij, where I is equal to A, J equal to B. So Nij is the number of nearest neighbors of Ij bond. So that means, so AA means the nearest neighbors of AA bond, AB nearest neighbors of AB bond, and BB nearest neighbors of number of nearest neighbors of BB bond. And energy Uij is the energy of AA bond, energy of AB, and energy of BB respectively. Ij bond. So here the probability that the atom A on lattice A. So this will have AA bond, which is equal to the probability that A occupies a particular nearest neighbor of lattice B, nearest neighbor of lattice B times the number of nearest neighbor sites, or number of nearest or 8. Any nearest neighbor atoms unnai, 8 nearest neighbor atoms అనేవి exist అవుతాయి. So then therefore number of nearest neighbor atoms NAA is equal to 1 by 2 1 plus P into N into 1 by 2 1 minus P into 8. Okay, so 2 into 2 4 cancelled in 8 by 2 times, and A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, and N. Similarly, number of atoms, number of nearest atoms N BB is equal to 1 by 2 1 plus P capital N into 1 by 2 1 minus B into 8 is equal to 2N into 1 minus P square, and NAB is equal to 1 by 2 1 by P plus 2. So here A and A be the same lattice points, here AB be the different lattice points, then this will change. So that is 8 into 1 plus P by 2 into N into 1 plus P by 2 plus 8 into 1 minus P by 2 N into 1 minus P by 2. These are the number of nearest these are the NAA, NAB and NBB be the number of nearest neighbors of their respective bonds, AA bond, BB bond and AB bond. So 8n plus 8n, 16n, sorry, 2 cancelled in 4 times and again 2 cancelled in 2 times. Then 2 into capital N into A square minus 1 plus P into 1 plus P, then 1 plus P whole square plus similarly 2 and 2 cancelled in 8 by 2 times, 2n into 1 minus P whole square. So this implies 2n into 2 plus 2p square. This implies 4n into 1 plus p square. So substitute this term in energy terms. So that is energy E is equal to n into 1 minus p square into UAA plus 2n into 1 minus p square into UBB plus 4n into 1 plus p square into UAB. So that is equal to 2n common from all terms, UAA 1 minus p square plus UBB into 1 minus p square plus 2 into UAB into 1 plus p square. So this implies 2n into UAA plus UBB plus UAB plus 2n p square into two UAB minus 2 UAA minus 2 UAB minus UAA minus UBB. Okay, no problem. So what happens here? So UAA into 1 UAA plus UBB into 1 UBB plus UAB into 1 UAB. So these terms cancel, common from, we are taking these terms common. So 2n into common term plus the remaining terms are 2n p square, that is the common term, 2n p square into so UAA into p square, UAA into p square. So p square common, then minus minus UAA. Okay, so are you understand? సో యూఏఏ చూడండి ఇక్కడ 2n ఇంటూ యూఏఏని 1తో మల్టిప్లై చేశాను, యూఏఏ బయట రాసాం. యూబీబీ ఇంటూ 1తో మల్టిప్లై చేసాం, యూబీబీ. అలాగే యూఏబీని 1తో మల్టిప్లై చేసాం, యూఏబీ. సో మూడింటికి కూడా కామన్ 2n కాబట్టి 2n రాసాం. ప్లస్ అగైన్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ బై పీ స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే పీ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ యూఏఏ వచ్చింది. సో దాన్ని ఇక్కడ రాసుకున్నాం, ఇదిగో మైనస్ యూఏఏ. పీ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కదా, పీ స్క్వేర్ బయట రాశాను. మరి ఈ టర్మ్ కూడా 2n ఉంది కాబట్టి 2n ఇంటూ పీ స్క్వేర్ కామన్ తీసాం, అన్ని టర్మ్స్లోనే పీ స్క్వేర్లు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి 2n ఇంటూ పీ స్క్వేర్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. పీ స్క్వేర్ 2n ఇంటూ పీ స్క్వేర్ కామన్ తీసాం. సో ఇంకేం టర్మ్ ఉంది లోపల, యూబీబీ ఇంటూ పీ స్క్వేర్, దట్ ఈజ్ యూబీబీ. పీ స్క్వేర్ కూడా కామన్ తీసాను, యూబీబీ. సిమిలర్లీ ఇక్కడ ఏముంది, 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 ఇంటూ పీ స్క్వేర్, అలాగే యూఏబీ పీ స్క్వేర్ కూడా బయట కామన్ తీసాం, అప్పుడు 2 ఇంటూ యూఏబీ. ఓకేనా, రైట్. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ ఈ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2n ఇంటూ పీ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ total energy U plus this term is written as like E naught. So where U is equal to this term 2 UAB minus UAA minus UBB. So then now we calculate the entropy of this distribution of atoms. The entropy is the measure of the disorderness, right? So next I have to calculate the entropy. So calculate the entropy. So to calculate the entropy, so there are 1/2 1 plus P into capital N atoms, capital A, and 1/2 1 minus P into capital N terms and atoms, B on lattice A. Similarly 1/2 into 1 minus P into N atoms, A, 1/2 1 plus P into N atoms, B on A lattice on B lattice. So therefore the number of arrangement of these atoms Z is equal to, so n factorial by, this is n factorial one by 2 1 plus P into N factorial 1 by 2 1 minus P into N factorial whole square. So from the Boltzmann function, so we know Boltzmann function, so entropy S is equal to KB Boltzmann constant into ln of G. Right, let me substitute the value of ln of g ln of g is equal to 2 into ln of n factorial minus ln of 1 by 2 into 1 plus p into n factorial 1 by 2 into 1 minus p into n factorial. So this implies 2 into n ln of n minus n minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus p into n ln of 1 by 2 into 1 plus p into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus p into n minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus p into n ln of 1 by 2 1 minus p into n plus 1 by 2 1 minus p into n. So this implies 2 into n into ln of n minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus p into n ln of n by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus p into n ln of 1 plus p minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus p into L into ln of n by 2 minus of 1 by 2 into 1 minus p into n into ln of 1 minus p is the term. So this implies 2 into n into ln of n minus n into ln of n by 2 after simplification minus n by 2 into 1 plus p into 1 minus p 1 plus p into ln of 1 plus p minus n by 2 into 1 minus p ln of 1 minus p. So this implies ln of g is equal to 2 into n into ln of 2 minus n by 2 into 1 plus p into ln of 1 plus p plus 1 minus p into ln of 1 minus p. ఓకేనా. రైట్. సో entropy S is equal to kb into ln of g. So ln of g term is 2 into n into ln of 2 minus n by 2 into this value is substitute in S equal to S is equal to kb into ln of g. Then S is equal to 2 into kb into n into ln of 2 minus kb into n into 1 plus p into ln into 1 plus p plus 1 minus p into ln 1 minus p. When p is equal to plus or minus 1 comma S is equal to 0, that is no disorder. No disorder means order. So when p is equal to 0, this implies S is equal to 2 kb ln of 2. So that is disorder. S is equal to this value is disorder. So the equilibrium order is determined by dou f by dou p is equal to 0. So according to Helmholtz free energy, F is equal to E minus Ts. So this implies F is equal to E term is E naught plus 2p square nu minus 2t kbn into ln of 2 plus t into kbn into 1 plus p into ln of 1 plus p plus 1 minus p into ln of 1 minus p. Hence the condition dou f by dou p is equal to 0. So this implies, so with respect to p the function f differentiated. So then first term 2p square nu, 2p square means 2 into 2 4p nu plus t into kbn into 1 plus p into 1 by 1 plus p into 1 plus ln of 1 plus p plus 1 minus p into ln of ln of 1 plus p, then 1 minus p into 1 by 1 minus p into minus 1. So plus ln of 1 minus p into 0 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is from this equation 4ap nu nu plus n into kbt into, so 1 plus ln of 1 plus p minus 1 minus ln of 1 plus p is equal to 0. So this implies four p nu plus n into kbt into ln of 1 plus p by 1 minus p is equal to 0. So ln of expansion 1 plus x is equal to x minus x square by 2 factorial, common expansion x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. So similarly ln of 1 plus p can be written by using this expansion p minus p square by 2 factorial plus p cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. Similarly ln of 1 minus p can be written as minus p square by 2 minus etc. So this is equal to minus p minus p square by 2. So then ln of 1 plus p minus ln of 1 minus p is equal to p minus p square by 2 plus p plus p square by 2. P square by 2 p square cancel, that is equal to 2p. So therefore 4p nu plus n into kbt into 2p is equal to 0. So 2p into n into 2pn కామన్ తీస్తే 2pn ఇంటూ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్లో ఉంది 2pn కామన్ తీసాం. ఇక్కడ 2pn కామన్ వస్తే 2 ఇంటూ u ఉంది 2u ప్లస్ దిస్ ఈజ్ kbt ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ 2pn ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఆర్ 2u ప్లస్ kbt ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. So then T is equal to minus 2u by kb. Here T is critical temperature Tc. Tc is equal to minus 2u into kb. So the short range order parameter R is a measure of the fraction of the average number q of the nearest neighbor that are AB bonds. So we defined R is equal to 1 by 4 into Q minus 4. So where Q is equal to 8, R is equal to 1 for complete order, where Q is equal to 4 and R is equal to 0 for disorder. This is for order, this is for disorder. So we observe that R is a measure of only of the local order about an atom, whereas long range order parameter P refers to the purity of the entire population on a given substance from this R value. So from this we observe that R is a measure only of the local order about an atom, whereas long range order parameter P refers to the purity of the entire population on a given substance. This is the elementary theory of order. Okay, thank you students.